entire crew, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Buffalo. Aircraft is going to taxi for a few minutes to the gate, so please remain seated. Leave those seatbelts securely fastened, and all of your carry-on is properly stowed where they are until the captain brings the aircraft to a complete stop, and more importantly, until he turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Once he does off that sign, it'll be your only indication that it is then safe for you to move out of the cabin. For those of you leaving us here in Buffalo, please check around your seating areas, your vacant compartment, and seat pockets for all personal items you may have brought on board with you. Do use caution as you open those overhead bins, as some of your personal items may shift about during flight and may fall out when the bins are open. Now, if you are continuing on with us to Orlando, this is your aircraft. We're going to ask that you remain comfortably seated in the seats that you're currently in while all of our Buffalo passengers deploy the aircraft. Once everyone is deploying, Barbie will come from the back and get an accurate through count of those of you that we know should be remaining on board with us. Once our count matches, we'll make another announcement, let you know at that time that you can then move about and stretch your legs. But until then, if you're going on with us to Orlando, please remain seated in the seats that you're in. Once again, for those of you leaving us here in Buffalo, make sure you have all your belongings before you step off the aircraft. Due to security purposes, once you step off the aircraft into the jetway, we cannot allow you to come back into the aircraft and try to retrieve any items you may have left. So once again, make sure you have everything with you. Ladies and gentlemen, if this has been your first time traveling with us, we hope you've enjoyed our Southwest hospitality. If you've flown with us before, more so now than ever, we truly appreciate your business. At Southwest, it's our pleasure to always take you to the people, places, and things you love. We want each and every one of you to go out here, buckle up, drive safe, share a lot of love, and most importantly, please, stay safe. Because we want to see you again on our future Southwest Airlines flight. Because no other airline loves you as much as we do here at Southwest. Have a pleasant stay here in Buffalo, or wherever your final travel destination may take you. And wishing you and yours a very pleasant and safe start to the new year. Good night.
You don't see them, especially here.
Oh, I'm looking at the White House.